There was a couple who had courted each other for 4 years and then gotten married. It was their 4th wedding anniversary. Things had changed since their marriage. The once couldn't live without each other couple had turned so bitter over 4 years that it looked like they were the now can't live with each other couple. They were picking faults in each other, bickering over trivial things, and both didn't like the way things had changed. The spark of love that they once felt was gone. Now mostly there was the fire of fighting and sometimes just firefighting. Alaina was waiting for Ishan on that day, waiting to see if he remembered that it was their anniversary. Just then, the phone rang. Alaina rushed to receive the call, expecting it to be Ishan's and hoping that this could be the beginning of reviving their connect again. As she held her phone to her ears, eagerly waiting for the words, "Happy anniversary, honey, just on my way home," she was disappointed to hear some other man. "Hello, ma'am. I'm calling from the police station. Is this Mr. Ishan's number?" "Yes, it is," Alaina replied. "We're very sorry to say this, ma'am, but there was a major accident and a man has died. We got this number from Ishan's wallet. Can you kindly come and identify his body?" Alaina was shocked. She sunk into the couch, practically losing her consciousness. A train of thoughts uncontrollably racing in her mind. How could this happen? How can I live without Ishan? I've always loved him and I still love him. Yes, he's been unreasonable sometimes, but so have I. Yes, he made mistakes, but so have I. Yes, he has faults, but so do I. Ishan, you're so loving and caring. Yes, we've had differences, but I love you. And today on our anniversary, I so much wanted to say sorry and tell you how much you mean to me. But you're gone. Alaina burst out crying as she fell down to the floor. "No, Ishan, please don't go. I love you. I'm sorry. Let's start a new chapter. Please, Ishan, please." Right at that time, the doorbell rang. Alaina somehow dragged her to the door, still wailing uncontrollably, and opened it. It was Ishan. She ran towards him and hugged him as she kept crying and kept saying, "I'm sorry, Ishan. I love you. I love you." Ishan consoled her, and after she regained her composure, she told him about the phone call from the police station. And Ishan replied, "I'm so sorry, darling. I forgot to tell you that my wallet got stolen today." Ever wondered what makes a relationship meaningful, genuine, lasting forever? Ever wondered what is true love? Love is more than the often used 3 words, "I love you." Love is more than those sentiments and touchy feelings. Love is not a noun. Love is a verb. It is full of action. Love is less about romance, more about respect. Because remember, romantic feelings are always in a flux. They're there today and not tomorrow. Today you're in a great mood, you have those romantic feelings. Tomorrow you're not in a great mood, you don't feel those romantic feelings. And also, the initial charm in any relationship goes down with time. But respect for each other and respect for each other's individuality doesn't die down with time. Feelings go down with time. Respect doesn't. And it is that respect, not romance, that becomes the foundation for all of our feelings, which can sometimes be like an emotional roller coaster. Love is less about my rights and more about responsibilities for your welfare. It means striving for the physical, emotional, spiritual welfare of the person whom we truly love. Love is less about knowing the person and more about caring for the person. Didn't someone say, I do not care how much you know until I actually know how much you care. A caring heart walks more than the extra mile to offer service to the beloved. Love is a great blend of caring and daring. Daring to stand up and accept the person completely, regardless of their faults and shortcomings. Daring to practice the virtue of forgiveness and to be able to let go of the mistakes and the blunders, small and big, in that relationship. Yes, it's like the beautiful, colorful, fragrant rose, those emotional feelings. But it is also like accepting the thorn that comes along with the rose, those weaknesses, those shortcomings, those faults. Yes, love is about complete acceptance. A package deal like a rose, beautiful in its color and fragrance, but also coming along with the thorn.